Keep up, my mysterious friend. Look at this beauty! A fine catch for today.
Here you go, little ones. Enjoy your meal. Wow, what a beautiful fish.
Yes, a fine catch.
Let's take it inside.
Look at this fish.
It's magnificent.
Caught it just for you.
Thank you. Fresh and pure for today. Perfect for the evening meal. Spread it gently for the perfect shape. The aroma is perfect. The rotis are ready, fresh and hot. The aroma is perfect. Just a few more leaves. Let the spices awaken the flavors. Let me stir this aromatic stew. Let me stir this stew gently. The aroma is wonderful. The stew is ready. It's delicious. The aroma is so inviting.
We're almost there.
It looks lovely.
I brought your favorites. Please enjoy the meal.
Thank you, my son. And for you, auntie.
Please have some more.
Yes, help yourselves.
Thank you, beta.
This is so flavorful.
Indeed, the spices are perfect.
So tender and delicious.
This is so good.
I know, right? It's amazing.
Let's eat more.
Definitely.
This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Here, have some more. This is delicious.
Yes, it is. I'm glad.
Ready to feed the fish?
Yes, let's do it.
They're so lively.
I love this.
The morning is beautiful.
It is with you.
Here, try some.
Thank you.